Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some coconut buns. On this board I have 1 coconut, 1 milk, cinnamon. I have the star anise. I have this nutmeg, cinnamon powder, orange peel, dry orange peel. I have the raisin, baking powder. I have the red cherry, and half butter, half stick of butter. All right, 1 tablespoon of the baking powder. I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients, and again I will list everything that I use in the description bar down below. So after finish mixing all the dry ingredients, then I'm gonna add the wet ones, which is the coconut and everything else. Mix it together well, and then also sugar. Okay, this is 3 tablespoons of sugar. We'll be adding brown sugar. You could use anything of your choice. So when everything finished combining together, mix well, then I'm gonna drop it. All right, this is the consistency that we're looking for, a soft but not runny. And I'm using the flour powder. I'm using the fine flour or the bread flour. So after finish dropping it, this is what it looked like. So I'm going to place it into the oven to bake, and it must be according to your likeness. So this is it when it finished. This is what it looked like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.